What's up, guys? It's me, Rocky, back with the school vlog. And today, the fire alarm went off. And so I'm just interviewing people and everything. I interviewed people the whole time. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Here you go.
Fire! Honestly, I'm kind of scared because, I was like minding my business, walking, just doing my work, at PE, and all of a sudden.
How do you feel?
I don't know, I'm scared something blew up in the locker room and it was my stuff. What if my stuff blew up in the locker room?
What's the quote of the day?
Well, we're both recording. We got our phones on. Don't die and get high.
Don't die and get high. Set, go.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
Fire department.
Guys, it started snowing. This caused the fire. Snowball fight. Why am I being the victim? Guys, I can ice skate. Dude, I fucking ate shit when I went ice skating.
Tell us how you feel about going to LA. I'll bleep out the name. I was like, I feel good. I'm very excited and happy. Walking. Ayana's walking. I don't know where she's walking to. Where you going? You going to class? Are you driving home? Guys, this was a really scary moment. I thought I was stuck in the elevator at school, and because I didn't feel it moving, and I was really panicking, and then I saw the number change, and I was like, ugh, and then the door wasn't opening. I was really scared. It was really scary. But then it finally opened, and I had to go back to class. Like, bruh.
You are so beautiful.
For your information, I went to High Outlet and I interviewed my best friends that work there because they're so cool. POV, my wardrobe. What's your name?
Kimberly.
Okay, what's your name? Julia. How long have you guys been working here?
Too damn fucking long.
What's your name? What do you do for fun?
Run.
You like hockey? Oh,
I love you.
Ross, I lose. I did. Find me out. Guess what? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I did filming it. Look at my little hat. Oh my god. And yeah, peace out.